Welcome back to our Wise Agent tutorials. I'm Alex, and I'm happy to help you navigate our import and export tool. Let's get started.
We are going to start with imports. Once you're in your Wise Agent account, navigate towards the Contacts tab on the left-hand side. On this tab, go ahead and select Import from the drop-down. The next step is uploading your CSV file. You'll want to make sure that you've taken a look at our example CSV to help you name the form fields to match. This will help for a seamless import. You also have the opportunity to upload an import from Top Producer, .loop, Lion Desk, Follow Up Boss, and Vendors. Once you're ready with your CSV file, go ahead and click Drop File here or click to Browse. Select the CSV file you wish to import and hit Continue. The next step is choosing the import method. So we can choose Insert New Only, Update and Insert, or Allow Duplicates. I'm going to select Update and Insert New. You also have the opportunity to format names and addresses, assign to a team member, assign to a category, and assign to a source. You can also select an outside team member as well. The next step is to review. You'll want to scroll down and make sure that the column name, accepted columns, have a check mark next to status. Once everything looks good, you'll just select Import to import your contacts. Next, we're going to learn how to export our contacts. The export tool is now on the contact list. Once you get to your contact list, filter out and select the different contacts you wish to export. Once you have filtered out the contacts you wish to export, click on the box next to Name to select. Once your contacts are selected, there will be a bar that shows up with several different icons for you to choose from. Go ahead and select the three dots, which is labeled More, and from the drop-down, select Export Contacts. A new window will open up that will allow you to pick and choose the different fields you wish to export. If you wish to export all info, you can move the toggle at the top. And here you can also select to include notes. Click on Export, and then make sure that you click on the file on the pop-up window that follows. The CSV file will download to your computer.
And that's it. You are now ready to import your new contacts and export your contact list with ease. If you have questions, check our help drop-down or reach out to support. We are always happy to help. Thanks for watching.